Hello, this video will show you how to access historical newspapers from the New York Times from 1968. You'll go to the link that Professor Ballo will send you for the New York Times, which will be ProQuest Historical Newspapers, the New York Times. You'll need to look for the front page of a newspaper from your birth date in 1968. If you have any trouble accessing the link, please get in touch with me. My name is Keith Weimer. I'm the librarian for history. My email is kw6m as in Michael @virginia.edu. When you access the link, you want to choose Advanced Search. And you'll notice that the search box, the default is set to anywhere. You want to change that and choose page, and you want to choose page 1. You want to look at publication date, and you want to change that from all dates to specific date range. The range I'm going to pick is October 5th, 1968. I'm going to do a search. There's a list of articles. Pick any one of those. Just click on the title. It will show you the article, but you want to choose Page View PDF. Which will show the front page. There's a navigation bar. You can also enlarge, zoom in, and later zoom out on the page if you want. Fit to page. You can flip through the newspaper here. It's page 1 of 72. To download this page, there'll be a toolbar again when you scroll over the page. You want to choose download. We'll call it front page, New York Times, October 5th, 1968. And there you see the PDF. Please let me know if you have any questions about this video or any problems accessing the New York Times. Thank you.